Well, good morning. Today you find me up above the cliffs at St Bees. St Bees, of course, famous for the start of Wainwright's Coast to Coast path. We're not doing that today though. My plan today is to get up to the viewing platforms near the lighthouse and try and take some images of seabirds. So that's what I'm up to today. So I'll join you up on the viewing platforms and we'll see what there is to see. See you up there. Well, I've made it to the first platform. I believe there are a couple more. So yeah, there looks like there are some birds about. I'll try and take some images and a bit of footage. So if I've been successful, no doubt you'll see them next. Well, I hope you've enjoyed those little clips of video of the razorbills and an odd guillemot or two. And I thought there might have been some puffins and some fulmars. I haven't seen any. So one or two still photos in there as well. Like I say, I hope you enjoyed them. So that concludes my day here at St Bees Head. Just got to walk back and catch the train back home. So I'd just like to say thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.